Let me show you a dessert that looks fancy, takes almost no effort, and disappears fast. These are fruit s'mores, warm, melty, a little messy, and balanced with fresh berries. This is one of my go-to summer desserts when friends are over. It's easy, fun, and everyone loves it. And once you see how simple it is, you'll want to make it too. I build this like a simple dessert charcuterie board. I start by placing small bowls of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries right in the center of the tray. Around the fruit, I arrange the graham crackers, chocolate graham stars, and pieces of Hershey's chocolate. Nothing fancy, just easy to grab. Once the marshmallows are toasted, everything's right there, which keeps the whole process relaxed and fun. Now for the fun part, also known as the moment everyone suddenly wants to stand very close to the counter. I stick a large marshmallow onto a marshmallow roasting stick and grab my kitchen torch. I always keep the flame moving and rotate the marshmallow slowly. Patience really pays off here, and if you're making these in the summer, you don't even need a torch. You can toast your marshmallows right over the grill, a fire pit, or even an open flame outside. It gives them that classic campfire vibe and makes this dessert even more fun for guests. The goal is a golden brown outside with a soft, melty center. Not a marshmallow that's on fire and fighting for its life. If you rush it, the outside burns before the inside warms up. And that's not what we're going for. If you're comfortable using a kitchen torch, you can toast a few marshmallows at once. But if you're newer to it, I recommend sticking to one at a time. It's easier to control, and honestly, it's kind of relaxing. As soon as the marshmallow is toasted, I place it directly on top of the chocolate. The heat from the marshmallow starts melting the chocolate right away, which is exactly what we want. Then I immediately add the fresh fruit, a mix of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. I like to vary the combinations a little, so each s'more feels slightly different. The contrast here is what makes these special. The warm, gooey marshmallow and chocolate paired with cool, juicy berries just works. I repeat the process until all the fruit s'mores are assembled, or until people start asking, "Are those ready yet?" This is one of those desserts where it helps to work in small batches. Toast a marshmallow, assemble, repeat. That way everything stays warm and melty, and nothing sits too long waiting. If you're serving these for guests, they're best enjoyed right away. That's when the textures are perfect and the flavors really shine. One of the things I love about these fruit s'mores is how flexible they are. You can swap the fruit based on what's in season. Use dark chocolate if you want something less sweet, or even add a thin slice of banana if you're feeling adventurous. If you don't have a kitchen torch, you can absolutely toast the marshmallows over a fire pit or grill. The torch just makes it easy to do this indoors, quickly, and without a full setup. Just a quick note, all the tools and ingredients I'm using in this recipe are listed in the description below. I'll leave a link to the full blog post there, so be sure to check it out if you want the complete recipe, measurements, and extra tips. These fruit s'mores are one of those desserts that feel playful, easy, and just a little unexpected. They're perfect for parties, casual get-togethers, or those moments when you want something sweet without committing to a full baking project. I love how simple they are, how fun they look, and how good they taste. And every time I make them, someone asks for the idea. Thanks for hanging out with me. It really feels like we just made dessert together, and somehow there are already fewer s'mores than we started with. I'll see you in the next video. And yes, there's a good chance I'll be torching marshmallows again.